Rode up here to the top of Montebello Road today, middle of September. Yeah, you got 2,000, well actually 2,600 feet of climbing to get up here. Pretty nice view. Yeah, you can see down into the south end of the valley there. Potential trail closure. Oh yeah, they're working on the road up here. I saw that on their webpage. They're undergrounding some power cables, I guess. It's only during weekdays, and it's only on the main road. Here's Black Mountain right here. That section there could potentially be closed. Yeah, if you come up here on a weekday and you're wanting to ride the gravel road, you might not be able to. Especially that one section right there, there's no option there. But once you get down off of Black Mountain, just take the old ranch trail, and then I usually take that and then take the Bella Vista trail down, and then you pick up the Canyon Trail, or you could go down Indian Creek Trail. Yeah, it's a little farther up Montebello Road. The trail goes right along there. And yeah, I came up here a couple months ago, and there's a geocache right around here that was called something about a good view, and it was real hazy that day, so I couldn't really see anything. But yeah, it is pretty good here. Yeah, so right down in there you've got Moffett Field, and then this is the whole south end of San Francisco Bay. You've got the Dumbarton Bridge up there. I was across there just a couple of weeks ago. Yeah, way up here there's some clouds, and then over the top that's Mount Tam north of San Francisco. And then you have Black Mountain here with all the radio towers. So I think that's what they're running the power and the fiber optic cables up to. Yeah, you can see the whole bay from up here. Oh, and then yeah, this right out here is Mount Diablo. You see the clouds there over the ridge, and Mount Diablo on the other side. So there's the Apple Spaceship Campus. Came from over there, that tower, and it takes about 15 minutes to get up here. So yeah, we're top of Black Mountain. I guess this is where they're staging some of their equipment, some water trucks, and looks like they got probably a drill, horizontal boring under roads for crossing and whatnot. I guess that way they don't have to trench through the roads. But yeah, there's all the towers on Black Mountain up here. Quite a rig. Yeah, I guess they're doing this for the next, September, October, November, so 4 months worth of weekdays. So yeah, if you come up here on a weekday, you might not be able to ride past Black Mountain here. So if you're on a bike, your only option is to go back the way you came. Trails off of Black Mountain, but they're all hiking only. So Montebello is the only bicycle accessible road. And you just have this section, maybe 2/10 of a mile down the hill, and then at that point you can take a left and go on the old ranch trail. And the trail is open, but the gravel road is potentially closed. So I guess I'll sign off here. But yeah, if you're considering coming up here weekdays between now and the end of the year, you might run into a road closure. So be aware. And as always, thanks for watching.